Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the charging port on your phone. Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. This particular smartphone has a traditional micro USB type charging port, which is the outdated legacy standard from years ago. We need a brush with flexible bristles, about 2 centimeters long, so it can reach all the way into the ports. In addition, we need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, to first loosen the dirt that's in the port, so that the dirt can come out, and then so that all the alcohol evaporates and leaves no residue, so it doesn't clog anything further or cause a problem where we clean out the dirt but are left with alcohol inside. Impure. That hasn't fully evaporated and we just end up making clumps of dirt from the alcohol. So it has to be pure and the recommended alcohol. This one is pure. Then everything will work properly. The phone must be turned off. We never do any cleaning on a phone that's turned on. We cleanse the bristles of the brush thoroughly with rubbing alcohol. You can buy such a set with this diffuser and this kind of brush as a kit on websites like Allegro or Amazon. If you want, and if you don't have one, you can just use a toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium bristled, because if the bristles are hard, they'll scratch your phone. And as I said, with the phone turned off, insert the brush all the way into the socket and move it to the side. Repeat this process. Do it about 10 times in one direction. So that the dirt gets moved and comes out this way. Now do exactly the same in the other direction. So just the same, insert it all the way in the other direction and move it that way. Repeat this about 10 times as well. It's best to repeat both actions. 5 times each, so about 50 times in total. Altogether, so that there are about 50 movements inside the socket. Then the socket will be perfectly clean and will work like new without any problems. After finishing the cleaning, we can use a little plastic tool like this, which we printed ourselves on a 3D printer, but you can also buy it on Allegro. And simply insert it into the socket and slide it along the bottom of the socket, just in case there's something there. This will allow us to pull it out from the ends. The tool for the socket must of course be plastic. We never use anything metal in the socket because we could simply damage it, but plastic is safe. It won't cause any short circuits or damage anything. In the socket, after the procedure, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate properly. And then we can turn the phone on and use it normally without any further problems. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and see you in my next video.